I should turn those Christmas lights off, huh? Maybe if I go in this window. Can't really do it any justice here. Hey everybody! Hey, thanks for sharing this out, Lou. You have it there too? I wonder if we're near each other at all. Hey, hashtag. Hey Dave, how are you? Hey Davis, you're scared? Okay. Well, let me come down here. It's beautiful because the sun is setting too over there. But the lightning's really more to the left. Hey Ben. Hey Tracy. Hey Namesame. Hey Sparkle Mama. Yeah, see the lightning's really over here though. Let me figure out. Babe? I don't know where Mr. Perfect is, but his light is like really detracting from this whole scene. You got struck by lightning in 2005? Oh my gosh. Hey Cat. Nope, no hail. Can't. It's like it never wants to be in the frame. I teach Hatha Yoga, Cat. I think you've been in some of my scopes before. I follow you. This is in upstate New York, Brad. Did you see that one? It's perfect? Oh, good. Oh, Lou, me too. Yeah, I thought, ooh, there was a good one. You know I'm never going to be pointing it at the right spot. Vinyasa? Yeah, Vinyasa's cool. Hatha is H-A-T-H-A. Hatha. Connecticut there, Mad Chatter? Cool. Hey, Mad Chatter. How are you? You hear it, Brad? I'm sorry. I should stop talking. Yeah, serious power right now. It's crazy. This has been going on for a while, too. Someone told me I should scope it, so I my stupid window is really blocking the beauty. It's close. It's actually an H, not an S. So Hatha, H-A-T-H-A. Wait, he got blocked for his profile picture? It's just a picture of him with no shirt on. That's interesting. I don't really like that. I'm gonna have to turn that setting off on Egg Drop. So I'm testing out a new, yeah, it is so hot. It's like 90, I think it was 94 degrees today or something crazy. Yeah, get out there and do yoga, exactly. It's really cloudy, so you're not always seeing the actual lightning itself, just like the light, but sometimes it's pretty close. '91, wow. Yeah, yesterday it was hotter here than in Atlanta too, Tracy. Somebody said that on Scope. Ayurveda, nice. Try to, here, there we go. Hey Ramstein, Ramstein? How do you say that? Uh-oh, I forget which one I said first. Okay, Ramstein, I think. 91, wow. Yeah, it was a hot wave all across America, I guess. Okay, Ramstein. Okay. I should probably get a little tripod or something. My hand's getting sick of this. Oh, good. The storm is perfect. Maybe I should shut my trap. Yeah. Welcome to your first day on Periscope, Terrell. Yeah, I know what you mean, Mad Chatter. We had wind that just did that all out of nowhere. I mean, it was so nice today, and then out of nowhere, it was just like crazy wind and lightning. You like the cracks? Good. trying to capture actual lightning in here, but it's harder than it looks. Oh good, I'm glad you're enjoying this. I wasn't sure if anyone would want to come to this or not. Whoa, look at that one. That was good. Oh yeah, the wind would be so scary. What kind of trees were they? Like really tall pine trees or redwoods? Yeah, that was crazy, wasn't it, Archie? Hey, welcome. That one was nice. You're enjoying the scope? Thank you, Trist. I'm glad. I got mentioned in Sonam Scope. I mentioned her today too, actually. I mention her all the time. What did she mention about me, Lou? Hello, Sinhyu Coco. How are you? Thanks for inviting your followers, Brad Pitless. Nature's free entertainment, exactly. Oh, the size of my water jug. That's great. Imagine Dragons Thunder. I should play it. Yeah, it is. That does suck what happened today. I'm great. I'm doing really well. I like thunderstorms a lot, so. I don't follow people with no profile picture, so if you want to get a profile picture and start broadcasting and coming into my scopes a little more, I'd be happy to follow you back. I am 22 people's super fan, so I definitely watch a lot of scopes. Yeah, Nature's Light. You slept on the second floor? Oh yeah, that would scare me too. Oh, am I covering the mic? I probably am. Let me see if I can try to hold this a little bit differently. But I feel like we can't really get the lightning. Where's it going to be? Is it going to be over here? And we can try to angle it like this. You're a lizard? What does that mean? Are you Cat's friend, lizard? Or somebody else? How's the volume now, Nikki? Are you still in here? I don't see your bubble for some reason. Did you change your picture? Oh yeah, not you, Cat. A different cat. That's funny. Cat Kensington on here. I feel like it's moving to the other side of the house. Maybe I should try to follow it. Let's migrate, guys. Let's migrate. Oh my gosh, these Christmas lights are everywhere. Hang on, I gotta open up the curtain here. Can we see? It's getting too dark out to see. What about this way? Oh, those stinking lights. I am a storm chaser. Oops, there's the camera. Wait, it's not focusing at all. Hang on. I gotta find a comfortable position I can actually hold my hand pretty steady in. I don't know if it's gonna go over there. I know the lights are weird, but whatever. Hey Rex. A little early for the lights. Oh, maybe, yeah. It's thundering there too? Rex, where are you? I always forget where you are. Do I even know where you are? I thought you were British, but I feel like I'm wrong. Do I keep covering up the mic? I'm not really sure where it is. Yes, that was a good one. I see your profile pic. Okay, I followed you. That was sweet, right? It was worth it. Yes, it's much better. I followed you back now. You're welcome. Why does that look so crazy? Yeah, that one was pretty good, Lou. I do have to say. Thank you for moving. Yeah, right? Except the Christmas lights look crazy. Babe, are you up here? Can you do something about the Christmas lights by any chance? I don't really know how to turn them off.
It's on switch number 2.
What switch? Oh, yeah. I totally forgot about that thing. Yay! Way better. Thank you, babe. The storm missed you? Well, that's good. It looks cooler in real life. But you know you wanted to see it. Yeah, I hear you. It's really pretty beautiful. It's getting further away though. I'm gonna have to start scoping about something else soon. Bring your own bottle? That's awesome. It avoided you? Do you control the weather? Are you a weather god? For 5 gallons? Yes, that's what we do too. We go to the spring and get spring water sometimes in the 5-gallon jugs. Yeah, now you can hear it better. Good idea, babe.
72 out there. It's going to warm up after this blows through, though.
He opened up the window. He's a genius. He really is Mr. Perfect. I'm probably covering up the microphone again.
Nice.
Thanks for the hearts, you guys. A watercolor art party? That's awesome. I'm good here, actually. I'm doing good. Do you guys hear the frogs? That was a pretty good one. Wasn't as good as the other one, but that was still pretty good. I have to give credit to EJ Luna for this scope because he told me to scope this. Who just popped in? Is that Gio? I'm afraid to move the camera to check what bubble that is. Oh, and he's gone. How long has it been storming there? I don't know, maybe 10 minutes? Not long at all. It's blowing through though, it's almost gone. We chased it to the other side of the house already. We're storm chasers. And that sound is just cars driving by. Parties at dental offices? I've never heard of that before. You're gonna have poppin' parties at your office? That's awesome. Are you a dentist? Stop copying your weather, please. Maybe your weather's copying mine. That was a good one. Did you see that, Lou? I don't know if Lou's still in here, but that was a nice one. Oh, that breeze feels heavenly. Oh my god, I thought you said I'm an orthodontic ass with an exclamation point. I swear to god. I'm sorry to swear, but that's what I thought you wrote. I was like, what? Ooh, 8 out of 10. Nice, Lou. That's pretty good. Dylan, welcome to my scope. It's sick out here right now. You see that? Oh my god, Dylan. I feel like that was a really good one. That one was so good. That was super good. That was like, you're the good lightning luck person. That was perfect. You got here just in time. That was the best one, I think. What do you think, Lou? That was like a 9, I feel like. Because I'm electric, exactly. Sounds like you're talking about making yourself burp. What? Is it really dark now? Yeah, Lou, I agree. Pun? Wait, I'm missing the pun, I think. I think the pun went over my head. Oh, the electric pun. Oh, the pun got a 10 out of 10? Okay. Ah, that's hilarious. Oh wait, we're gonna get that red light out of the way. Oh no, did it go back over to the other side of the house again? We might have to storm chase some more to the other side. We got some really nice ones over here though. Maybe I can try to snap some screenshots out of it. Whoa. It keeps trying to reconnect. I don't know. Is that your end? It might be my end, actually, because only 11 people are in here. I'm not really sure. It could be because I'm not really that far from my Wi-Fi. It shouldn't be, but it might be. It might be the storm. Hey, Trevor. Hey, Carlos. How are ya? Nice. That was a good one, too. Hey, John. How are you? We got some nice lightning going tonight. We've been getting some really nice shots. It's just a patience game. Oh, you give that one a 9.5, Lou? Okay. Nice. How come those ones aren't showing up great on the camera? Is that that red light? I'm not sure. Hey, Nick. How are you? Got some really nice lightning shots going on right now. It is cool, right, John? The willow tree is kind of cool, gives some perspective. Sorry, I'm like having trouble holding my phone still. 5.2. You didn't get good lightning? Oh, I'm sorry, Mike. I must have stole it all. Oh, yay! Do I know photography? No, obviously not. The last one? Wow. I stole your thunder. Oh, that was a good one, Kat. That is definitely the comment of this entire broadcast. I stole your thunder, Mike. I stole your thunder. Someone's stealing my sunshine, I will say that. It is stealing someone's thunder. It's cool when it's far away, not in your backyard. It's all good, I have a microwave. Alright, I think it's off in the distance now. I'm in lightning. This is upstate New York, Lucy. Oh wait, there's still some lingering. Hey, Brennan. B dice. Lightning is cool when it's not striking you. I would definitely agree with that. Hey, got struck by lightning. Whoa, that looked crazy. Cayuga Lake. Alright, I'm gonna go outside, but I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to hold it up out there. Quick, go before we miss any. It looks so dark on the screen. Oh, you didn't get lightning? We got some really, really nice lightning shots, but it's kind of off in the distance now. If you like lightning, definitely check out this replay because there were some nice ones. That was nice too. You live in Ireland, you're working here for the summer. In upstate New York? Oh, thanks, Jeremy. Is my connection cutting out? Probably. I should probably not be outside, but I want to see everything. Welcome back. Is my connection crappy, John? I'm back up. Maybe I lost the connection. His metallic body. He has abs of steel. They block the wireless. It keeps cutting out and in for you? Okay. Alright. Well, I'm going to give it a little bit longer. In case there's any lingering lightning out there. I think it's pretty much... Oh, that was good. I got to keep doing it, you guys. The replay will be good. Out of what door? On that side? Oh, interesting. So there's actually like 2 separate storms. Thanks for inviting, Trevor. Okay, I'm going to do the 10-second countdown. I feel like we got some really nice lightning shots. Shiny, if you're listening, I don't know if you have the audio on, but I hope your writing goes awesome. Your assignment goes awesome. I can't wait to hear about it in the morning with the Shiny Breakfast Club. Everybody make sure you're following Shiny Hippie for her 10 to 11 a.m. show every single day, the Shiny Breakfast Club. And I'm going to be back in just a little bit. I'm going to get my lights turned on, get everything set up. Yay, lightning for us to say goodbye to. I am going to do a scope. I actually don't know what I'm going to scope about. Maybe reading. Okay, I will talk to you guys soon. This has been another Moment in Time with Taylor. Hope to see you soon.